Guys, it's Dej. So as usual, we're starting off with our brows already done and lids are primed. I'm using the Hail Ride shade in the Urban Decay palette. I'm putting that shade all over my lid because today we're doing just a one eyeshadow look. So yeah, I'm gonna pat that all over my lid and then I'm gonna go in and blend out my edges. Really simple. Yeah, just really simple. Mostly just blending that out. Just take your time and blend out that color and you'll be good. Alright, and after blending that foundation, I move on to highlighting the skin, starting with the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my under eyes, and my chin. And I am using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in the shade Caramel. just taking my time to blend that out really good. I did actually let it dry down too fast again, so I had to go through and add a little extra to make sure everything was blended. But yeah, so with that CoverGirl concealer, make sure you guys work fast. That one, it sets really easily. And just for extra measure, I use my foundation brush again to blend out the edges, just to make sure that there's no really dark line of demarcation there. And now we're going to set the face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in 35 Deep. Now moving on for contour, I still use the Black Radiance Contour Palette. And I actually mixed the two shades here, the light and the dark brown. I'm going to set the face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. For the lips today, I'm using the Milani lip pencil in Rich Cocoa. And I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Rum Punch initially. But then I ended up changing my lip color to the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in Originator, this really deep purple, which that is the look that you guys see in my thumbnail. lashes, but you know we gotta add lashes, so we move on to add mascara and lashes. Alright, so here is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the post notification bell so you'll see when the next time I upload a video. And I will see you next time.